Hey guys, welcome to my analysis of Banknifty for the 30th of June, that is the Friday. So tomorrow, since it's a trading holiday, tomorrow the stock exchange won't work. So let us see like what we can expect on 30th. Basically, you go to the daily chart. What we can see in the market is market created a new high today, all-time high. You can see at 44,508 levels. But this is not a strong green candle. If you can see, this is a red candle at the top. So high chances it also sweep the liquidity of this previous high, which was at 44,498. So market just swept that level and closed below that all-time high. But just a minute. So if you see, look at the daily chart, it was a very good gap up today. Market came down sharply. Immediately after opening up, it came down till around around 250 points. But after that, just I'll open the 5-minute chart. As I told you yesterday, market will play in the since it's a very wide CPR and also market is opening gap up. Seeing the last previous days momentum, you can say market will be in a bullish side, but it cannot rally like that because there is all-time high of 44,498, which market just swept it and came down. So this we cannot say a close above that level. So market is still, I can say, has just tested the previous high, and only when the market starts trading above this 44,500, the daily candle starts to trade above this, we can say there is a break of structure, clear break of structure at the in the higher time frame. So till now we cannot say this is a break of structure. This is just sweep of liquidity. Once this candle daily or hourly, whatever, higher time frame cannot 5-minute candles, the higher time frame candles like 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly closes above this, there is still a liquidity. So don't think the market has hit new all-time high, it will become bullish or something, or just because market is at the top, it will just keep falling. We cannot make such conclusions just based on the way the candle is there. So candle structure or candle placement in the market is important. Like it will give you an idea like what is the next direction of the market. But even the overall market structure in a higher time frame is also important because higher time frame market is bullish. You can see here. Markets are bullish. So this was a break of structure here. So market did a pullback and tested this high. So this is what has happened. So we can say at this level, this was a break of structure because daily candles or hourly candles started trading above this. Same way, the candle must close above 44 for 508 this level. So coming to this is the overall, but what we can plan from here is that if market really wants to come down, either it should open with a very big gap down on the Friday, or if the market opens somewhere between this range, between 400 to 500 range, definitely if there is no sell off in the first hour, or if the market tries to sustain this level till afternoon, definitely you can see a very big breakout, and we can see as per Fibonacci levels it can even go and test. I can say this Fibonacci level of 45,150. It will not directly touch it the Friday, but you can see this level also coming the coming week. So you can see, like, if the market trend continues like this, we can even expect these levels in the coming days, because this is a good consolidation at this area. So after consolidation, if it is a breakout of this level, it will be a huge move, because a lot of short positions will be squared off at this level, and it will trigger a very big move. It's possible, but I think people are still holding short positions here, since market has not closed above it. So still market has a chance to go up. So coming to 5-minute analysis. So what we discussed yesterday was that the market will be sideways and everything. So what trade you could have done today is basically this particular candle is a very big red candle. So market took out the liquidity here. Second candle, market did this up move, but it was very quick scalping, but it was quite difficult, because you could have ended up with just a cost to cost, because once you saw this single candle mitigation entry here, suppose you enter in the 50% zone, suppose here somewhere, when the candle came back here, suppose you enter with with a small stop loss, you could have just a minute, you could have done a profit of, say, somewhere 84 points, that is close to around 40 points in option premiums. But yeah, like, immediately when the red candle starts, premiums will dump immediately. So suppose if you had exited somewhere here, cost to cost, this trade was something like cost to cost also, you should have exited. So not I held this trade, because it gave you some profit, scalping profit, but you should have exited this. But secondly, again we got a good entry here. If you see single candle mitigation entry, again you could have traded this. There was the single candle order block which got mitigated. So when price again came back to this level, you can say 50% level, you can say, just a minute, 50% of this candle, you could have taken trade somewhere here with a stop loss of this. So this trade was a good trade. Let me show you. So this candle somewhere here, if you enter, this was also a scalping of 96 points, but since there was an order block at this level, I don't think so people would have carried this position. Anyways, once this breakout happened, there was a good premium movement in CE side. So after that, post that, if you mark an order block somewhere here, since this was a break of structure here, this was a break of structure, market came back, it didn't come back to the order block here. Anyways, it created some order block here, it went up, because this was also a break of structure. You see, its previous high was taken out. So market came back, mitigated this order block. This order block had a stop loss of around 10 to 12 points at the money options. 10 to 12 points, if you had taken that, you could have targeted close to this high. This high was your target, so 165 points. Somewhere you got here around 165 by 2, say at the money you would have got somewhere around 80 points. So here we had 80 points, here we had somewhere you can say 80, somewhere till here or here. So here around 50 points. So around, it was a good day for options, because there are a lot of movement in option premiums also. Based on order block, only if you trade, we had good amount of profit you could have earned today. So post that, market did nothing. It went up again till here. R2 levels started dropping from R2 levels, because this was all-time high. It swept that all-time high level, dropped down, came down sharply. So whoever didn't book the profits here at this level, because this was during 12:45, there was premium would have been higher. By this time, everything premium would have completely vanished. So in the premium decay only, whoever didn't book the profit, waiting for this higher, who are waiting for this higher high, higher low, thinking that market will go and touch 45,000, they will be in loss, because whatever profit we got in this move, basically this, what we see here, but I got wiped off here. Not only at the cost to cost level, even below the cost, because since there will be a decay due to the expiry day, whatever premium was there at this level, when it went here 240 points, the time it came back 240 points, it would have vanished everything. It would have become zero. Suppose you take 44 200, okay, 44 300, if you had taken 44 300, it would have become zero. 44 200, somewhere it will be 1245, it will be somewhere say 100 rupees, it would have come to, that also would be in loss, because it would have come to around 38 rupees by the end of this month. Anyways, so these were the two trades, you can say. This was one in law, this was cost to cost basis, this was a small profit of 50 points, this was a good profit of around somewhere here if you taken. So this move till here around 80 points, 80 plus 50, around 130 points. But this move was unexpected. What it did here, or what you can say, this candle, particular candle, because somewhere here we had an order block, market swept it and came down, but this momentum what we saw here was not expected, since because market already rallied yesterday, when it did such a big rally the previous day before expiry, because it was a finished expiry. You can't expect markets to do this rally every day, because it was known, known to everyone that market will be sideways today. Anyways, those who are in the call side holding from down the below this bottom, definitely they will be having would have exited with a good profit. But that is also was not a, because initially this move, whatever profit they would have earned here, 50% would have gone because of expiry move. These moves will bring down the C premiums badly. This kind of big red candles. So whatever. So this was the move. So what is the next move for Banknifty? So this is a very challenging thing now, because market is pausing here. Gave a pause here. If it had given a breakout of this particular area and closed above this, we could have said market is up for a very big move and market might do something. But now it seems like market has again trapped both sellers and buyers here at this level. Let us see. So our plan of action is not to predict the market, so we have to trade based on candlesticks. So market structure should be kept in mind, the higher time frame structure, because that is where we get the proper trades. Anyways, when we get offside, both sides, long sides, short sides, both sides, we have to take confirmation and enter the trade. So next move would be, I can see, suppose market opens flat on Friday, and just a minute. So it moves, it opens like this, or see if when it goes to previous high, or it opens at previous high and drops like this, something like this. Let it be a green candle or red candle. Okay, suppose this is a red candle. Imagine this is a red green candle. It opened flat. Just a minute, sorry. So this is a green candle. It opened flat and went up and went to previous high. If this is a scenario, market will fall. Market will trap everyone here in this candle, and directly market will make this move. Just break this, do this, do this, do this, do this. Crash in the sense, at least it will come till here. Because why I am telling this is because this is a single line CPR. You can see very, very single line. There's not even like 4 or 5 points. So high chances market can do this. Okay. Otherwise, if first candle is a very big red candle like this, which opens above R1 or previous day high and sweep the and closes near CPR, my prediction for the market is, if market wants to move up now, okay, it has to go, it will form a red candle, it will move like this. Somewhere around 2:30, 3 o'clock, it will jump like this, like a rocket. So what is the level? It can go and touch R3 also, 44,880, and it can even go and touch 45,000. High possibility market can do this if it's a first candle is a red candle, because once this red candle high is broken, can expect. But this momentum is possible on Friday only, because since this whatever you are seeing here, mark this level. First candle, if it's a very big candle, it will do this. This breakout will have the IV spike. The premium also will jump like this. Even this breakdown also, if it's planning to happen like this, so you can expect market will do this and drop down like this, come to previous day low, take support. It will not fall so easily, but it will drop down like this. It will be a one-sided momentum. What I feel is market can do a one-sided momentum downside. Why? Because I'm not very bearish here. The only reason why I'm telling this is market did a break of structure here at this level. Let me mark this level. Market, Bank Nifty especially, I'm not talking about Nifty. So this analysis is completely about Bank Nifty. Whatever Nifty does, it's not necessary that Bank Nifty should follow it. Because if you see today's this one closing, sorry, yeah, Bank Nifty has done a rally of 0.82%. See, and Bank Nifty has done a rally of 0.82% is 154 points. It made a new all-time high, but Bank Nifty hardly moved. Bank Nifty for me looks more tradable and more it gives more opportunities because it has got high liquidity instead of Nifty, more than Nifty, because Nifty I feel it's all this index is completely managed by operators, because this kind of a move after such a big rally, this is too much actually. This is not expected. This is not a technically, this is not the right way for markets to go. Bank Nifty anyways must go, must correct because it has just swept the all-time high. So high chances market can come near these zones. You can see here, right? I'll just mark this support here. So before break of structure, you can say this is on break of structure. So there is support here. Let me mark this the 1 hour zone. Let me not do this shorter time frame. So we can see 1 hour time frame. Market has left a lot of imbalance as well as this order block here. POI zone. Market has to test this level as per this one. It has to do this and gradually go upside. If it breaks this and creates a new level, suppose if market break this and trades above this all-time high, we'll have to wait for some other order block, the downside, or some other, we have to trade on the pullbacks for a short term. But for me, still this order block is valid because this shoot up, we don't know how it went up. It can come down in the 2 days like this only, because here and all you can see market shot up like this, came back like this within 3-4 days, within 2 weeks. Actually it took a lot of time, but yeah, it can shoot up like this, it can play in a big range like this. So market has now got a range of 43,800 to 44,500. It can play in this range, again draw back, come back, somewhere it create order block at this level, somewhere here. Suppose consider next two candles will fall below this. Suppose this is an order block, again market will play here. But next time when market breaks this, it will be a very big breakout. So I expect market to play here in this zone in good momentum. Straight candles you can see without any correction except this small correction. This is just a liquidity sweep I feel. So this is my prediction. So since one line is here, it will be a trending day for sure. But I feel this S3 might be tested. So my view for Friday is bearish. I'm not very bullish on this, because if market had done something like this, suppose just show market today done something like come like this and do this, do this, I would have expected market to go up like this. But since they already did this breakout from here, it's very risky to trade. But yeah, we can trade some pullbacks here. If the trend is confirmed bullish trend and we have a break of structure, we can definitely find some order blocks and trade the upside also. Downside will be more interested because there will be good momentum. The PE premiums also will jump, and we have a lot of opportunities here. Till here we can sell. You can see there are lots of support here. This is the first support. Again trade till here, market will again go back, again it will come here, there will be second trade, again it will go somewhere here, come back here. There will be 2-3 trades which we can trade and a lot of opportunities will be there. But if it goes upside, and CE premiums also will not move very fast, if the momentum is not there, very slow, CE premiums won't move very fast, and since it's a Friday tomorrow, premiums will be very high. So I don't think so. Market, even if it, I will not be surprised since it's a very narrow, very one-liner strip here. I don't know if market even sleeps here only, since it's a weekend, Friday, and most of the time Fridays we don't get crazy moves. I don't know, like coming weeks and all, then the expiry will change to Friday. Coming, I think you can see here, right? If I see from effective next week, that is next expiry, I think Fridays will get good moves in the market. So this Friday I don't think so it will give a lot of good moves, even if it sleeps between these two range, previous day on previous low and high, and consolidates here for 1 or 2 days. I'm not surprised, but yeah, big momentum is done. Whatever is there, it is done. I don't think so. Big momentum upside possible, downside possible, more possibilities there, and it should come to test these levels. Thank you. This is my analysis. You can say I'm not able to be very decisive about the direction right now. Let us see how it goes. Thank you.